What's up, guys? Welcome back to Landed Fishing. Today we're fishing with Jake Dooley and Crossfish, and we're gonna be going for inshore stuff basically. So redfish, flounder, trout, and more. So yeah, here we go. Hook them up through the nose like so. There we go. That's your flounder rig, or anything really. There's a bunch of fish here. I'm going over there. Oh, I got something else. Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah. You did not. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got one. Yeet. Think so, whatever it is. Oh, it's a flounder. Got him. It's tiny though. Thanks. Dude, it's literally like my first flounder in literally like 3 years. Can you stop, please? Oh my gosh, look, it barely hooked him. That's crazy. Is my GoPro on? Can you tell? Is it counting numbers in the front?
Yeah.
Sick. Well, that's my first flounder in a year, guys.
Here, let me see.
Probably 12 inches, not a keeper. Wells wants to hold him. Want to feel him? Did you see that? That was so cool.
We've already caught one. Are you guys using squid? Ooh, nice. He's got some. Oh, what?
I think. It's small if it is.
Oh, that might be a little.
Yes! Then, is that a shingle?
Yes, a shingle.
That's my first ever shingle. Wow. What a beaut. Hey, have you guys ever caught a shingle before?
I don't think so.
New PR.
Got it?
Yeah, I think I got him. Yeah, I got him. Well, actually, I don't know. Dude, he felt bigger. Well, that's a pinfish, boys. Not what we wanted. The first bite was definitely stronger. So, there's a pinfish, boys. Not what we're after, but you know, whatever. It's a fish. It weighed 13 tons.
Bro, we didn't weigh it. Bro, you literally just caught. You literally put it right on top of mine. That's scary. That part fake?
No, it's real. Can you hear it?
Oh. Dang. Nice one, bro. I thought it was fake. There was one up there that was sitting up there for a while.
Oh, I got another one, I think. I don't know what it is.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, it's bigger. It's bigger. It's bigger.
Come on.
I don't know what it is.
What if it's the same little blue fish?
Oh, bet. It's a black drum, I thought. Yes! Haha! Another species.
Black drum?
Yeah, black drum.
How big? Finally. Is it big enough to... That's not big enough to eat. No way.
That was not what I had the first time, though. No way. Little black drum, guys. Third species of... It's actually fourth species.
Fourth. And fifth if we
Wait,
count
can I
whatever
see
that
it?
thing was.
It's got little barbels on the chin. Wells again wants to see the fish. Oh, catch!
Oh,
Well,
That was so cool.
yeah.
Well, they're kind of a garbage fish now because...
That's a flounder. That's a flounder. That's a flounder all day.
On what?
Squid.
I will land it.
Shut up, let me see it. Let me see.
Holy heck. That could be a red.
Nah, it's not taking enough drag. Move your line.
It's
He's
right
good.
here.
Watch it be like a freaking stingray. Dude, it's a stingray. Oh,
my
shoot, that's a monster.
I got it.
flounder,
I'll
bro.
land it.
Monster flounder. Oh, I just lost it.
No, it does not count as a land.
That counts. It was literally, we saw it. He put his hands on it.
That was giant, bro.
If you touch it, that's it.
Did he
That's my bad.
did he nibble on it at all?
What? I mean, no, not really, to be honest. He just straight choked it.
Dang it, I wanted that. I want a flounder. I haven't caught
That was
one.
a pretty good, Yeah,
I should have. But fish are so much harder to land in water. I should just go get a lighter and burn the sign on the front.
Hey, look, Liam, it's another welcome sign.
Can you open it?
They're like snagged as in caught one. No way.
I caught a girl.
I caught a shingle. Shingle dingle.
I caught the disease of shingles.
That would be very unfortunate.
Kids can't get it.
You sure about that?
Yeah. Imagine if you had a crab trap, how many flounder you'd get in here.
You'd probably get too low for you to successfully use it.
Fine. When it stops and I try to start again, it just pops.
I'm getting destroyed by them.
Pinfish?
Bugs. Gnats.
See, look at. You see it? Yeah.
Why?
Oh, I got one. I got a good one. Wait. It's a black drum, isn't it? What the? It's a flounder. Sick.
Got a flounder. Probably 10.
Okay. This harness is so disgusting, you know? An oyster.
Whoa, I actually caught a fish.
No way.
No way, whole caught
No
a fish.
way.
This is for $100.
Oh, it's a giant.
Oh, it's a giant flounder. It's a giant
I got him. I'll get him.
Give me.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, we got him in slow. Get him in slow. Slow.
Yeah.
It's a giant.
That's a giant. That's
On the tentacle. I'm not giving you honey. Dude, it's a doorman. Pick him up and show it to me. Pick him up.
He mad, bro.
Just pick him up.
Wait, show it to me.
Yeet.
The fat boy right there.
Okay, I got it.
That's probably 20.
That's not 20.
No, it's 18.
That's like 16, 17.
But it's real.
Wow. Beautiful.
On the
Where'd you catch it?
tentacle right by the dock.
Texas rig tentacle, right?
Yep.
Texas rig tentacle.